Cylinder looked good on it. It was kept in the barn. Right here, Miller Road, 500 on the big sprayer. And right here is going to get 4,000. 4,000, Betty with 4,000, 73. 3,000 here, 3, Betty with 3,000, Betty with 3,000, 2,000. 2,000 get in here, 2,100. 2021, 2,100 out on the Betty with 21. 2,000 now, 2,100 out on the Betty with 21. 2021, 2,100, 21, Betty with 21. 2,000 now, 21, 2,100 out on the Betty with 2,100 out on the 21. 2,000 now, 2,100 out on the Betty with 21. Yeah, it is big sprayer for that money there. 2,000 now, 21. 2,100, 2,000, now 2,100, out of 20, Betty with 21. 2,000, now 21, you're done, 21, are you done, 21, 2021, 2021, 2,100, out of Betty with 2,100, out of 20, Betty with 2,100, 22, 2,200, 2,200, 21, 22, 2,200, 21, 2, 21, now 2, 2,200, out of Betty with 2,200, out of Betty with 22. So $2,100, buyer number 135.
Four-row planter, Jim used that for planting sweet corn.
On the house counter planter right there, 4-row. 70,000. $1,000 here, 1,000. Patty with that doesn't take much for you. Most guys pay for $1,000 planter, 500. 5, Patty with 500. Patty with 200. 200 here, on 4-row planter, 200 out of the 200. 200 here, Betty with 200 out of the Betty with 200. On planter, 200 out of the 100. 150, 200, 200, 250, Betty with 300. 350, 400, 400, Betty with 500. 5 out of the 5, Betty with 500 here, 550. Now 600, 600 out of the Betty with 600. 550 now 600, 600 out of the Betty with 600. 550 here now 600 out of the Betty with 650. 650. 650, 625, 650, 650, 75, 670, 650, 75, 675, Betty with 5, 675, Betty with 575, 700. That was close, 700. 74, 725, Betty with 720, Betty with 725, Betty with 5. Sold $700, buyer number 87, right? 87. Now you got your square baler. Duke South on the square baler.
Good, Bill's not that goes that way.
Hey, this thing works perfect.
Yep. You can tell. Right there on a good square baler right there. Somebody get 4,000. 4,000 on the square baler. 4, Betty with $4,000. 3. 3,000, 3, Betty with $3,000. Betty with 2,000. 2,000 here, 2, Betty with $2,000. Betty with 1,500. 15 on the square baler, 1,500. 15, Betty with $1,500. Betty with $1,000. On the square baler, $1,000. 1,000 here, $1,000. $500 here, 5, Betty with $500 on square baler. 505, Betty with $500.
Baler works fine.
Betty with $500, Betty with
Got 3.
300, 400. 3, 4, Betty with 400. $400, Betty with 4. Got 3, now 4, 5. 500, 5, Betty with 5, 600. $600, get him again, 600, 700. $700, Betty with, did you say 7? 800. 800, 800, 800, 9. 900, 1,000. Back to you again, $1,000. 900, now 1,000. $1,000, $1,000. 900, now $1,000. 900, now $1,000.
Brian, that's cheap for a spare.
Yeah, it is. 900, now $1,000. $1,000, Betty with $1,000. Betty with 1,000. So $900, buyer number 47. Buyer number 47.
Went for a spare. Hey, the old John Deere Van Brunt on the grain drill. Been kept in the barn. There it is.
Yep. Hey, right here. Yeah, got them nice boxes with the lettering across the front. Somebody get 400. 4, Betty with 300. 3, Betty with $300. Betty with $300. Betty with 200. Darren, you looking here? 200. $200 too. Did he somebody give $100? 125. 125, even $500, 20, even 5. Got 100 now, 25. 120, but even 5. 125, but even 5. Got 100, that's 25. 120, but even buddy with 5, 125, but even buddy with 20, buddy with 5. $100, 25, but even buddy with 125. Sold $100. Buyer number $60. 70. Buddy with 70. Buddy with 70. Got 60 now. $70. Buddy with 70. Buddy with 70. Sold $60. Buyer number 53. Buyer number 53.
Which I wish it wasn't a lake to the house.
Here's the Bale wagon. Got the hydraulic. Looks like somebody unhooked the wagon, forgot to unhook the hose. Put a new hose on there, put the bales on. You don't need a tractor at both places to unload hay. Right there, good running gear underneath there. Good Bale wagon here, and somebody get 500. 5, buddy with $500, buddy with 200. 200 on a Bale wagon, $200, buddy with some. I got 125. $100, 25, 120, buddy with 5. Got 100, now 25, 120, buddy with 550. 150, 125, 50, 150, 75, 175, 200, 2 and a quarter, 225, 550, 250, 250, 75, 275, 300, 325, 225, 325, 325, 325, 325, 325, 50, 350, 350, 325, 400, 400, 132, Byron, 132.
He's had them running, Ryan.
Yeah, they've been off and on here all morning running these trucks.
I think he just had them running.
Just had them running.
Jim. Hey, Jim.
Hey, Jim. He's up there talking right now. Hey, Jim, you down here at these trucks.
I don't get in and start them.
No, you got the international road start. You got GMC 6500.
Yep. We're going to do the GMC first.
Cry.
Then the dump works. Yeah, I know both of them do. He just had this night Wednesday to the dump and took a load up there. The international.
I just want to load and train. Out of day 500, just last one.
Up and down the road. Which one did they take you dump?
This one?
This one, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, on the GMC 6500 right there.
Titles to both of them's in there in the office. You'll get
We got
titles.
the title. Is that right?
Yep.
Nice big dump bed over there.
When you put the bale up, it's probably 73 or 4.
73 or 4. The title will tell you for sure if it's one of the two.
Yep. On the GMC there. Somebody get 4,000. 4,000 out of it. Buddy get 4,000. Somebody get 3. 3,000. 3. Daddy get $3,000. 2,000. $2,000 here. Daddy get buddy get $2,000. Buddy get $1,000. $1,000 here. Somebody get 1,000. 500, 600, 700, 800, 8 and 9, 900, buddy with 9. Now 1,000. $1,000 here, and Daddy with buddy with 1,000.
Yep.
1,000 now 1,100. 11, 12, 1,200. 1,200, 13, 13, 1,400. 1,400. 1,400 out of the buddy with 14. 13, 1,400 out of the buddy with 1,400.
Yeah.
14, 15. 1,500. That's a good number, 1,500. 15, buddy with 14, 1,500. Well, then you got 2 and you have a spare. 15, 14, 1,500 out of the buddy with 15. 14, 1,500 out of the buddy with 1,500 out of the buddy with 15. Got 14 here, 15, 16, 17, 17, 1,700. 17, 18, 1,800, 18, 1,800 out of 18. 17, 18, 17, 1,800 out of the buddy with 1,800.
Good body on it.
17, 18,
Yep.
18, 19, 1900, 1900, 19, that even 1900, another 19, 1800, now 1900, but even 1900, you say 19, 2000, 2000, round it off, 2000, 19, 2, 2002, that even buddy with 2000, 1900, now 2, that even buddy with 2000, buddy with 2000, buddy with 221, 2100, 21, 22, 2200, 22, 2200, 22, 22, 2200, buddy, she's gonna go, 21, 22, that even buddy with 2200, sold 2100, buyer number 28.
All right, that's Lodestar International. 1700.
$1,000 here, that even buddy with $1,000, 500, 600, 5, 6, that even buddy with 600, got 5, get it with 600, 5, 6, that even buddy with 600, buddy with 600, 500 here now, 6, that even buddy with 600, 500, 600, now 7, 700, 700,
Yep,
700,
yep.
800, 800, 900,
Yep.
9 now 1,000, $1,000 now 1,100,
Yep.
now 1,200, 1,200, 1,200, buddy with 1,300, 1,300. 12, 1,300, 13, 1,300, 12, everybody with 1,300. Got 12 now, 1,300. I don't know about buddy with 1,300. I don't know about buddy with 1,300. Sold $1,200. Buyer number 53. Buyer 50.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.